iron ores from 3 regions are mixed together to extract iron. Total 4 elements are present in the iron ore. What are the elements? Carbon, iron, nickel, and oxygen. In the first iron ore batch, so basically he's talking about 3 regions, right? The first iron ore batch contains the 4 elements. What are the 4 elements? CiNO, carbon, iron, nickel, oxygen, in the ratio of 3:5:7:11. The second iron batch contains the elements in the ratio of 4:5:9:3, and the third batch contains elements in the ratio of 2:6:5:1. Yeah. The iron ores are mixed in the ratio of 2:3:4. 2:3:4. So these 3 ores have been mixed in what ratio? 2:3:4. Yeah. All the ratios are by weight. All the ratios are by weight. Find the ratio of iron to carbon in the total mixture. Find the ratio of iron to carbon in the total mixture. All right. So how do we solve it? Okay, look at this. In region 1, we know that the ratio of C is to I is to N is to O is equal to 3:5:7:11. In region 2, the same ratio CiNO, carbon, iron, nickel, oxygen is what? 4. I mean, this is the question itself. I'm just rewriting it so that we only deal with these numbers. And the region 3 has got these 4 elements. Sorry. Has got these 4 elements in what ratio? In what ratio? They have got this in the ratio of 2:6:5:1. And R1 is to R2 is to R3. These 3 have been mixed in what ratio? They have been mixed in what ratio? 2:3:4, right? 2:3:4. Which means if you take 2 kgs of iron ore from region 1, you take 3 kgs of iron for region 2 and 4 kgs of iron from region 3. What is he asking us to find out? Find the ratio of iron to carbon in the total mixture. So when you get the total mixture of these 3 by taking R1, R2, R3 in this ratio, what is the ratio of I to C? I is to C is equal to what in the overall mixture? I is to C is equal to what in the overall mixture? Now when you have to just deal with I and C, I think you can forget about N and O. I mean, you don't have to really worry about N and O here, right? So what I would do is, let's assume we have taken 2x of region 1, we have taken 3x of region 2, and we have taken 4x of region 3. They are in the ratio of 2:3:4, right? So it's like 2 kgs, 3 kgs, 4 kgs, or 20 kgs, 30 kgs, 40 kgs, or maybe 8 kgs, 12 kgs, and 16 kgs. In that ratio, it should always be in the 2:3:4 ratio. So to generalize it, we have taken 2x, 3x, and 4x. So suppose if I have taken 2x of region 1, how much of iron will be there? 5 parts out of total, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 11, 26. So 5 out of 26 parts. Right? The iron content here is 5 out of 26. So 5 by 26 multiplied by 2x. What will be the iron in second region? 5 out of 4 plus 5, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 3, 21. 5 out of 21 multiplied by 3x. And in region 3, 6 out of whatever. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 4, 14. 6 out of 14 multiplied by 4x. That is the total contribution. That is the total content of iron in the final mixture. Similarly, what's the total content of carbon in the final mixture? Take that ratio and you get the answer. You're able to follow. So the required answer I is to C in the final mixture will be as follows. You see, I, how much is I? 5. Out of total how much? 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 11, 26. 5 out of 26 multiplied by 2x. Plus, how much is there in the second, second region's iron ore? Again, 5 parts out of total 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Multiplied by 3x. Plus, how much is iron in the third region? 6. 6 parts out of total, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. Multiplied by whatever is 4x. 2:3:4, right? 4x. This divided by, basically I is to C is nothing but I by C. This divided by carbon's content. Now what is carbon? The first parts here, right? So if this was 5 out of 26, carbon is 3 out of 26. See, the total remains the same, multiplied by 2x. If this was 5 out of whatever 21, carbon is 4 out of 21, 4 by 21 into 3x. Similarly, if this was 6 out of 14, this will be 2 out of 14 into 4x. So what happens is it is independent of 4. For iron, we have taken 5 parts, 6 parts, out of total 26, 21 and 14 parts. For carbon, you have to take 3 parts, 4 parts and 2 parts, out of total 26, 21 and 14 parts. X anyway, it's common in numerator and denominator, that gets cancelled. That's it, just play with these numbers and get the answer. So simplify that and you'll get the final answer, right? I mean, a little calculation intensive, but that's the way you do it. There's no other way out. Yeah, there's no other way out. So you just play with this ratio. So it's like 10 by 26, or to simplify it further, this goes 13 times. This is like 7 times. This is 24 by 14, right? So it is like 12 by 7. Then this is what? 13 times again. This is 7 times. And this will be 4 by 7. So basically 5 by 13, 5 by 7, and 12 by 7. Here 3 by 13, 4 by 7, and 4 by 7. Yeah. So I think it is going to be 5 by 13 plus, you see, 5 by 7 and 12 by 7. 5 by 7 and 12 by 7 is how much? 17 by 7, right? 17 by 7. This is to denominator. What's the denominator? 3 out of 13. So 3 by 13 plus 4 by 7, and 4 by 7 becomes 8 by 7. Yeah. Now simplify these two and get the required answer. Total fraction here and total fraction here. I mean, sum of these two fractions, sum of these two fractions. Simplify to get the final required answer to this question. I'll leave the calculation for you, and that's how you solve it.